Hoppity hop, splash, splash. Dippy Duck and Rosy Rabbit are friends. They play near the pond.
I can swim. Can you swim, Rosie? No, I cannot. I can hop.
Dippy likes to swim, Rosy likes to hop. They have fun.
Can you hop? No, I cannot hop. I can swim. I want to hop like you, Rosie. I want to swim like you, Dippy.
What happens next?
Help! I cannot swim. Help! I cannot hop.
Mama Duck and Mama Rabbit help them.
Dippy, come and swim with me. You are not a rabbit. You cannot hop.
Rosie, you cannot swim. You are not a duck. Come and hop with me.